Remove upper caps from both sides of frame. For each plow bolt, fully thread fish wire through square spacer onto bolt to create assembly. On one side, run fish wire assembly through inside of upper hole in frame. Pull fish wire through lower hole. Then run the second fish wire assembly through inside of upper hole in frame and pull through other lower hole. Repeat for opposite side. Lift front mount into position inside frame, aligning upper holes. Then insert hex bolts through outside of frame and front mount to hold in place. Ensure plow bolts are through front mount. On one side, remove fish wire and place flat washers, lock washers, and nuts on plow bolts. Finger tighten. Repeat on opposite side. Place spacer on hex bolt and insert into frame. Then place flat washer, lock washer, and nut on hex bolt. Finger tighten. Repeat on opposite side. Beginning with plow bolts, torque to 48 foot-pounds. Then torque hex bolts to 180 foot-pounds.